Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn class 12 science, mathematics chapter number 10, vector algebra, exercise 10.4, question number 8 to 12. Question number 8. If either vector A equal to 0 or vector B equal to 0, then vector A cross B will be 0. Is the converse true? Justify your answer with an example. So first we have to check vector A 0 or B 0. Then it is very clear vector A cross B will be 0. Okay, because suppose vector A is 0. Okay, then we can write over here ijk and 0 0 0, or here we can write any vector 1 2 3. So answer will be 0 because second row will be 0, or vector B will be 0. Okay, then second row will be 1 2 3 and third row will be 0 0 0. So again answer will be 0. So it is very clear, if vector A0 or vector B0, then vector A cross B will be 0. Now we have to discuss about converse. If vector A cross B equal to 0, then vector A0 or B0, yes or no? So see, vector A cross B equal to 0, it means magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B sin theta equal to 0. It means sin theta equal to 0, and sin theta equal to 0, it means the value of theta is 0 or pi, and it means vector A and B are collinear vectors. Okay, so converse is not true. Is it clear? 9. Find the area of the triangle with vertices A 1 1 2, B 2 3 5 and C 1 5 5. Then we have to find area of triangle. So how to find area of triangle? So here see, here area of triangle, here vertices are given. So formula is 1 by 2 magnitude of any cross product of any two consecutive sides. Okay, so first we have to find out OA, OB and OC is given over here. So IJ 2K, OB is 2I plus 3J plus 5K, and OC is I plus 5J plus 5K. Now see, here first we have to find out AB, okay, and then find out AC, and then formula is 1 by 2 magnitude of vector AB cross AC. So it gives area of triangle. So the value of AB is equals to, we can write OB minus OA. So 2I plus 3J plus 5K minus I plus J plus 2K. So we get 2I minus I will be I, 3J minus J will be 2J, and 5K minus 2K will be 3K. Then similarly we have to find out the value of AC. So the value of AC is OC minus OB. So the value of OC is I plus 5J plus 5K minus I plus J plus 2K. So first I minus I will be 0, so no need to write. Then 5J minus J will be 4J, and 5K minus 2K will be 3K. So the value of AC will be 4J plus 3K. Now we have to find a cross product of AB and AC. Okay, so the value of AB cross AC will be defined by indeterminate form IJK in first row, in second row 1 2 3, because the value of AB is 1I plus 2J plus 3K, so we can write 1 2 3. In the third row the value of AC is 0I plus 4J plus 3K, so we can write 0 4 3. So we get the value of AB cross AC will be minus 6I minus 3J plus 4K. How to find? See, I. So 2 3s are 6 minus 4 3s are 12. Then J bracket minus J bracket 1 3s are 3 minus 0, and K bracket 1 4s are 4 minus 0. So we get minus 6I minus 3J plus 4K. Now find out magnitude of vector AB cross AC. Okay, so in under root minus 6 square minus 3 square plus 4 square. So we get 36 plus 9 plus 16. So we get under root 61. So therefore area of triangle ABC is equals to 1 by 2 magnitude of vector AB cross vector AC is equals to 1 by 2 under root 16 square units. The next question number 10. Find the area of a parallelogram whose adjacent sides are determined by the vectors vector A equal to I minus j plus 3k, and vector B is equals to 2I minus 7j plus k. So formula of area of parallelogram is magnitude of vector A cross vector B. Okay, and A and B are the adjacent sides. Okay, so first we have to find out the cross product of A cross B and then find out magnitude. Is it clear? So the value of A is I minus j plus 3k and the value of B is 2I minus 7j plus k. So A cross B is defined by I j k 1 minus 1 3 and 2 minus 7 1. Now we have to simplify it, so we get the value of I bracket minus 1 plus 21, then j bracket 1 minus 6 and plus k bracket minus 7 plus 2 ones are 2. So we get the value of A cross B is 21 minus 1 will be 20I, minus 6 plus 1 will be 5, minus 5 will be plus 5, so 5j, and minus 7 plus 2 will be minus 5k. So we get a 20I plus 5j minus 5k. Next find out the magnitude of A cross B. So it gives under root 20 square plus 5 square minus 5 square. So we get 400 plus 25, sorry 5 square 25 plus again 5 square 25. So we get 25 plus 25 will be 50, 50 plus 400. So we get under root of 450, and square root of 450 will be 15 root 2. How to find? See, so it is divided by 2. So we get 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, then 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are, sorry, it is not divided by 2. So 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 9s are 45. So 5 into 3 3s are 9. So 3 5s are 15 root 2 is the answer. So required area of parallelogram is the 15 under root 2 square unit. Is it clear? Next, question number 11 is the MCQ. Let the vectors A and B be such that magnitude of vector A is 3 and magnitude of vector B is under root 2 by 3. Then vector A cross vector B is a unit vector if the angle between vector A and B is question mark. So we have to find out angle between vector A and B. So see, here vector A cross B is the unit vector. It means the magnitude of vector A cross B is equals to 1, and also given that magnitude of A is 3 and B is under root 2 by 3. So whenever we have to use cross product, then we can write magnitude of vector A cross B is equals to magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B sine theta. See, so the value of magnitude of vector A cross B is 1. So 1 is equals to 3 into under root 2 by 3 into sine theta. So here 3 cancel out. So we get 1 is equals to under root 2 sine theta. So whenever we have 2 subject as a sine theta, then the value of sine theta is equals to 1 by root 2. See, so the value of sine theta is 1 by root 2. So the value of sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Okay, so the value of theta is pi by 4. So answer is B, pi by 4. Okay, next and last question of exercise 10.4, question number 12. Area of a rectangle having vertices A, B, C and D with position vectors minus I plus 1 by 2j plus 4k, comma I plus 1 by 2j plus 4k, comma I minus 1 by 2j plus 4k and minus I minus 1 by 2j plus 4k respectively is. So we have to find the area of a rectangle. So already we have to discuss in quadrilateral. We have to take cross product of any two consecutive vertices AB into AC. Okay, so it gives the area of rectangle. Okay, so see here, first of all we have to find out vector AB is given by OB minus OA. So subtract, so here I plus I will be 2I. Here 1 by 2j cancel out and 4k will be cancel out. So we get the value of AB is 2I. Then the value of AC is given by OC minus OA. Okay, so again I plus I will be 2I, and minus 1 by 2j minus 1 by 2j will be minus j, and 4k will be cancel out. So now we have to find the cross product of vector AB and vector AC. So vector AB cross AC is given by, in determinant, I in first row ijk, in second row here we can write 2, 0, 0, and AC is equals to 2 minus 1 0. So put the value of AB and AC over here. So we get in first row ijk, in second row 2 0 0, and the third row 2 minus 1 0. Now simplified, so we get only minus 2k, because second row is 2 0 0. So we get the value of I and j will be 0. Okay, so k bracket minus 2 plus 0. So we get minus 2k. Then find out the magnitude of vector AB cross AC. So it gives minus 2 square, 4, and under root 4 will be 2. So the area of rectangle is 2 square units. So option C, 2 square units.